Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Patek Philippe Nautilus reference 7118/1200R hyphen 001. It's a Nautilus ladies with a white dial, diamond bezel, rose gold. I'm going to talk to you, and I think it's 35 millimeters. And I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. As I said at the beginning of this video, it's rose gold. That means it has a bit of copper built into it, and it's 35 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. Now that makes it a very comfortable size for many women to wear because it's a large watch, but it's still not that large at 35 millimeters. Now the height of this watch is a very, very good size for a woman, which is 8.62 millimeters. That's quite thin. That's actually thinner than Datejust and many of its competitors. So that's one of the things I really like about this watch as well. Okay, the Sapphire Crystal. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention the Sapphire. There's a exhibition case back on this watch, which means you can see the automatic movement. Okay, anyways, the dial is actually silver opaline gold applied hour markers, numerals, and luminescent coating. Now, how does that look at night? In case you want to wear your watch at night, that's how it looks. Those hour markers and such are luminescent. Okay, and it comes in silver opaline. I think that this is silver opaline, or you can just call it silver, or you can call it white. Now they also make it in champagne, but to me, I think the champagne's a little too much. I kind of like the contrast with the silver. To me, it's a little bit better. Okay, now let's talk about the bracelet here. Okay, bracelet is just like any other Nautilus bracelet, which is a very good thing actually. It's a rose gold bracelet and it has a Nautilus fold over clasp. Now bring your attention to the way that they set up this bracelet. You have high polish going down the center, and these outside links are actually brushed finish. It's a very beautiful design. And if you actually even look closer, this little edge right here is high polish. My finger ran down, and then here is brush polish on the side. It's actually an incredible design, as you probably would imagine. Now here's the buckle. You simply close the top, and you push it, and it closes, and it has the Patek emblem right there. Now the bezel is set with 56 diamonds, individually set by Patek themselves, and it's 0.67 carats, so it is really like the perfect amount of diamonds. Now you don't want your watch looking too blingy, but at the same time you do want to add some bling to it to make it look more fancy, but not too much. And Patek has done it exactly perfect. They use the highest quality diamonds, and exactly 56 of them set to perfection, and this is what the result. So it's time for me to try this on. Now keep in mind, I am a man, a very handsome, intelligent man, but a man nonetheless, so this is going to look kind of like this on your wrist if you're a woman buying this. Okay, I'm trying to maybe close the clasp for you. Now my thoughts about this watch are, well, you know, what can I say? It's one of the best looking watches on the planet. It's probably the best looking Patek ladies watch money can buy. And if you have upwards of $50,000 that you can comfortably spend on a watch, well, you should buy this one. And if you don't, well, there's many other options that you can choose at JazzTime.com. If I were a woman and I had plenty of money, or if I was a man who had plenty of money to buy for my woman, I would definitely buy this one. It's a perfect size. It has a perfect height. It has all the things that you would want, which are diamonds and gold and the name recognition of Patek, and the right size. And it's also automatic. So in my opinion, this is pretty much the king of the heap when it comes to ladies' watches. If you like this watch, please go to jazztime.com and buy it.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.